These are the tech skills that AI will not replace in 2026. Kicking off at number 5, DevOps Engineer. They are the architects of the software development lifecycle, a role that requires too much complex problem-solving for AI to handle. At number 4, we have the Cybersecurity Analyst. As the defenders of our digital world, their strategic and adaptive thinking is something AI can't mimic. Coming in at number 3, Data Scientist. They are the strategists who extract crucial insights from data, a task that requires human intuition and business acumen. At number 2, the Cloud Engineer. They build and manage the infrastructure of our digital world, a job that's foundational and too complex for AI to automate. And the number 1 spot goes to the AI and Machine Learning Engineer. Ironically, building and managing AI is a future-proof skill that requires deep human expertise. These roles demand the critical thinking, creativity, and human oversight that AI just can't replicate. Ready to future-proof your career? Start today with online courses, certifications, and hands-on projects.